Exciting news, everyone. SearchGPT, the revolutionary tool that brings real-time search capabilities directly into ChatGPT, is now completely free for everyone to use. Let's break down what this means and how you can start using it today. First of all, what is SearchGPT? SearchGPT is an incredible feature that allows you to search the web directly from ChatGPT. It's perfect for getting up-to-date information, finding accurate answers, and exploring links to relevant sources, all without leaving the app or website. So you can go back to your screen and then go ahead to the ChatGPT app as well, and you're gonna be able to see the feature founded at the bottom right here. Okay, so why this is a big news? Previously, SearchGPT was available only for premium users or under limited conditions, but now OpenAI has made it accessible to everyone, completely free of charge. This means you can take advantage of real-time web searches to enhance your research, right? Answer your questions and stay informed. If you want to know how to use SearchGPT, using SearchGPT is super easy. Just go ahead and open ChatGPT on your app or website, and then just go ahead and click the search right here at the bottom, right? Make sure that you turn it on, or you can go ahead to your app and then just turn on the search right here and ask your question. Type your query, and ChatGPT will fetch the most relevant, up-to-date information from the web. So why it matters? This change levels the playing field for everyone, making cutting-edge AI technology even more accessible. For example, test my knowledge on ancient civilization. Okay, we're gonna now search for web, right? I'm eager to test your knowledge of ancient civilization. To begin, could you tell me which ancient civilization fascinates you the most, and what aspects of it captivate your interest? And you're gonna start talking, and basically they will fetch more information from different sources in order to challenge you. Okay, so this changed the levels of playing field for everyone, making cutting-edge AI technology even more accessible. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, SearchGPT will transform the way you search for information. And that's the update. If you're excited about this, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.